Hi there everyone, I'm Miranda and I'm here to teach you about central tendency. This is the second part of our learning module. Keith took you through the first part. So basically, what is central tendency? In a nutshell, it's the idea of being able to describe a set of data by a single numerical value, and that there are three measures of central tendency. The three measures are mean, median, and mode. You probably remember these from high school, but if not, I'm going to give you a quick refresher. So basically, the mean is also known as the average. So to find this, you would add all of the data in a data set to find the total sum of it, and then divide it by the total data. So if you were to look over here in the corner, I have a short little data set here of 9 numbers. So you would add all of them up. So if you start with 3, you have it down here, 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, which equals 17. And then you're dividing it by the total numbers in the data set. And as you can see, there are 9. So 17 divided by 9 equals 1.8, which means that our mean is 1.8. The mean is most commonly used with continuous data, interval and ratio. Oops, sorry about that. So you wouldn't want to use this with like any outliers because it would really throw off your number. The second measure of tendency is median, and the median is also known as the middle value. So to find this, you would first list the data in numerical order and then locate the value in the middle of the data set. So in this case, we're taking all of these numbers and we're putting them in order. So we have ones first, so you would put the first 4 ones, then you would go to your 2s, then your 3, then your 4, and so on and so forth. So in this case, since I have 9 numbers, it's easy to find the middle value because there should be 4 on either side. So if you check here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that our median is 2. If I move that out of the way, you'll be able to see that. There you go. So the median is 2. Now, if you were to try and find the median with a value set that has an even number, like 10 numbers, then you would divide between the two. So let's say I had an extra 4 on here. Then I would find my middle numbers would be between the two 5s, which is right here, and you would divide those numbers, the difference between those two numbers. So unfortunately, in this case, the numbers are the same, so it would just be 2. But let's say it was a 2 and a 4, then the median would be 3. Okay? And then if we move on to our mode, the mode is the most frequent number in the data set. So to find this, it's very simple. You just basically see which number was repeated the most. So in this case, I've just done a little tally. So I can see that I have 4 1s, I've got 3 2s, 1 3, and 1 4. So the most frequent number is the number 1, meaning that our mode is number 1. If I backtrack a little bit here, you can see that the median is most used with skewed data. So you would want to use the median if you were using data that had, like, let's say the number 18, but then all like 1s, 3s, 2s, 4s. That would be a really good one because the middle number is still going to be pretty much in the middle. And then with the mode, this is most used with nominal data. All right, I hope that has helped. Thanks, everyone.